Hey guys, Mark from Custom Dynamics again. Back with another new product for the Lowrider ST, saddlebag lights. I'm going to install it on this 23 so you can follow along with me.
Alright guys, first thing we're going to do is remove the negative battery cable, the seat, and remove both saddlebags. I'm going to work on the bench with those, makes it a little easier when installing the bag lights on. But let me get this torn down and set up on the bench and we'll be right back. Alright guys, got everything taken apart. I got the bags on the bench, got the light on the bench. Before we get started, we're going to clean the surface where it's going to stick with some denatured alcohol. Make sure it's real cleaned off real good. Let it dry for 1 or 2 minutes. Once you've done that, take the light off. Always test fit it before we get started on here. And you'll see where it wants to sit and how the curves are and the edges are. And then once you're ready, you're going to pull off the red protective film and then stick it on here. Alright guys, I flipped the bag over. We're going to want to run the wire up like this. So we're going to put our cable tie holders with cable ties in them. We're going to stick one here, here, and here. And that'll keep the wires out of the way so they won't get pinched or cut or frayed. Simply run the wire up through. Use your cable ties to tighten that up. Then we can set the bag up onto the bike, get it all ready, and then we'll plug in into our harness, and then we'll be ready to go. All right guys, now we're at the seat area and where the wiring goes. I've connected our Y harness to the bag light, ran it behind inside the fender strut. I put 2 more cable tie holders with cable ties, routed them up, got them tight and out of the way. And you'll want to tidy this up as well. Now the 2 connectors are right here. There's a gray one and a black one. The gray is your left hand turn signal. So we get the left hand side and just simply plug it in line like so. Same with the right side. Like so, and that's it. Like I said, we're going to want to tidy these up with some cable ties that we have. Tidy that all up, then we'll check the operation of the lights, and then we're good to go. Okay, we're all done. That's how easy it is to install the Lowrider ST saddlebag lights. And as always, you can pick it up at your local Track Specialties dealer, and of course on CustomDynamics.com.